I'm Georgina Baker and we are the stewards of Levenvale Farm in Bellingen. It's an old dairy farm that we bought 2.5 years ago. So we've transitioned the farm from being a dairy farm into running organic beef cattle. Once we started learning about regenerative agriculture, we were able to just start implementing small trials, and our first trial up in Queensland was a cell grazing. We just rotationally grazed a forage paddock and the results were just astounding. The whole system is affected. You know, there's fish in the river again and there's spiders and bugs, and one of the first things we've noticed here is just the diversity of life in animals and insects and birds, and it's changed our mindset and positivity and outlook for the future about having sustainability in our business and in our land, but it's also introduced us to a group of people that are motivating and inspiring and sharing, and the education that you can get through that is invaluable. With the funding from Great Eastern Ranges and WWF, we have been trying to plant more trees on the farm. It's been historically cleared. We've planted between 2,000 and 3,000 trees to join up the patches of koala habitat that have been identified on and around our farm. There's so much agricultural land around the world. If we stopped using chemicals and started using some principles that are proving to work, and it would be some hope for the planet and the health of the planet. What would be better?